Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at two very nice and very easy paracord bracelets, the Shark Jawbone and the Modified Shark Jawbone Bracelet. Let's start with the Shark Jawbone. I'm going to tie these bracelets with two colors, but of course you can choose to do it with a single color of paracord. Start by tying a cow's hitch to one side of your buckle. Then pass your ends through the top of the other side of your buckle. Now take your left cord and pass it through the center of the core strands. Then take the right cord, pass it over the left, and also through the center core strands. The right cord then passes up through the left loop. Now pass the right cord through the center of the core strands. And take the left cord, pass it over the right, and also through the center core strands. The left cord then passes up through the right loop. And cinch it up. So that's the shark's jaw weaving pattern. Just follow the same pattern down the length of your bracelet. When you get to the end, finish your weave and cinch it up tight. If you're using a jig, remove it now and cut the tail ends, melt them, and squish them flat. So that's the Shark Jawbone Bracelet finished. Now let's look at the Modified Shark's Jaw. The pattern is almost exactly the same, so it's easy to learn. For this paracord bracelet, we're starting with a 4-strand double cow's hitch core. Pass your right strand across and down under the 4th core strand. Now, the left strand passes over the right strand and down through the 2nd core strand, and then up through the right loop. And cinch everything up towards the buckle. Now take the left strand across and down under the 4th core strand on the other side. Now the right strand passes over the left strand and down through the 2nd core strand. And then up through the left loop. Again, cinch everything up, and that's the weaving pattern. Just follow this pattern down the length of the bracelet. When you get to the end, finish your last weave and then again, remove the bracelet from the jig, trim the ends, and melt them flat. And that's the Modified Shark's Jawbone Paracord Bracelet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.